Over the past 20 to 30 years, there's been a lot of talk in organizations about employee engagement. And I'm sure you've heard the term. Employee engagement is the emotional and psychological connection that employees feel toward their entire workplace experience. And that feeling of connection has been tied to a whole slew of positive outcomes that our organizations want and need, from higher profitability and employee retention to higher customer satisfaction. In our leadership development series, one of our workshops is entitled Create a Culture of Employee Engagement. Now, you might be wondering, why is this a leadership topic if it's about how employees are engaged? Well, there are three key linchpins that lead to employee engagement. The first linchpin is how employees feel about their own work, the job itself, and their sense of contribution. The second linchpin is how employees feel about the organization at large, its goals, its mission, its values, even its senior leadership. And the third key linchpin to employee engagement, and the one that's most important, is how employees feel about you, their direct leader. In fact, as a leader, you are the most crucial linchpin in whether your employees are engaged or disengaged. It's been found that 70% of the variance between whether your employees are engaged or disengaged ties back to their experience of you, their leader. And that's why it's so crucial for us as leaders to learn how to create a culture and environment where engagement can thrive. So we hope you'll join us for our engagement workshop and others in our series so you can learn how to create a highly engaged team that enjoys their work and gets great results. See you next time.